Take a ride in the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.